I need a wiring diagram for an older Goodman a42-15 air handler at least 15 years old.
My name is I am happy to assist you today. Give me a moment to look over your question. I may need to get a bit more information from you. This is an older air handler, so hard to find info online. I am a Goodman dealer. I found the installation manual, but it does not have the wiring in it. I have contacted Goodman requesting diagram and will have it shortly. Please stand by. Below is the wiring diagram you requested. Please let me know you were able to open the link. If you have further questions, please let me know. Thanks for letting me work with you. If my answer has been polite, professional, and thorough, please click one of the ratings before you go. If you still need help, let me know. Expert is not paid for assisting you until you rate answer. Feel free to follow up for 30 days at no additional cost. Bonus always appreciated if you feel justified. To rate answer, please select one of the stars on the page.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.